This is Noor Shamathi. I'm calling from BTC Dammam. I noticed some blade path deviation. When I decided to go to study engineering, there was like few female go to that field. Engineering is a big field. We can be whatever we want. I wanted something different.
Power Diagnostic Services is a service that we offer to our customers. We monitor the plant for anomalies. The simple ability to pick up the phone and have somebody on the other line that can see what you're seeing speaks volumes. Right now we have two main offices in Mulheim, Germany and Orlando, Florida. In the last 5 to 6 years, we have installed a very large base of our gas turbines in Saudi Arabia.
My responsibility here is to lead the BDC in Dammam and start monitoring the Saudi units in coordination with Orlando team. Right now, I'm the one who will lead the center.
She came to Orlando for training. She has hit the ground running. I have been very impressed with the way that she has networked.
From the first day I came here, there was like a settled plan, and every day I spend with different engineers to teach me all their ways so I can build my own way. I see myself as individual who contributes to achieve the 2030 Saudi vision. This transformation will give us more opportunities, more capabilities to grow our society. Having this opportunity to study engineering and trying to show everyone I can work in my country as female engineer, I started to change their perspective of engineering and women. There are now many companies like Siemens supporting and believing that women can do engineering. حابة أشكر شركة سيمنز على الدعم اللي عطيتوني إياه عشان أنجح في وظيفتي كمهندسة.
Siemens, ingenuity for life.